Tom, and in this Tangerine quarantine video I'm going to be showing you what makes up a survival kit and how this will help you out in the wild. Okay, so this is just the bare essentials, so you won't need things like a sleeping bag or roll mat, because they're just general outdoorsy things which you'd usually have with you if you were camping. But first off, we have the first aid kit. This one is a small and light one. It will usually have everything you need in it, like bandages and plasters of different sizes for different wounds. If you're older, you may choose to have a bigger first aid kit. This one has even got a pair of scissors in it if you needed to do some stitching. It's got antiseptic cloth, there's no end to what it has. So there you have it. Number one is the first aid kit. Next up, we have either a multi-tool or a knife, both of which contain blades. This one slightly bigger than this one though. Although it all depends on what you want to use, because this one obviously has a few more functions like a hammer. It's got some pliers and a screwdriver and so on. But this one on the other hand has a saw blade and just the knife blade. So that's number two. Number three on things that I would have in my survival kit is a compass. This one is obviously quite a basic one, but that doesn't really matter as long as you're keeping to a course, whether you want to go north, so that's number three, the compass. Number four is anything that you can use to light a fire, whether that be a lighter, matches, or a flint and steel. Here I've got a lighter and a flint and steel. Obviously, it's going to be much easier to light a fire with a lighter, though these can run out, whereas with a flint and steel, you've only got till this runs out, which I've had this for a while and it's still quite a lot of it, so it must last quite a while. So there you go, number four. Number five is paracord. This has got lots of uses, whether you want to create a snare or use it to hold up a shelter. This is obviously quite a small amount, but depending on how much you need, I'd recommend you carry quite a lot. So that's number five. Now, if you're a bit older, you might want to carry some fishing wire. This has got hooks on it It can be either used to snare animals on land or for fishing as its intended purpose. However, it can be quite dangerous, so if you're a beaver, it doesn't matter too much. I couldn't find the last one, so you just have to imagine it. But that is a safety shelter. These are just thin pieces of plastic which can be folded down quite small, but once folded out can fit 4 or 5 people in them. If you're stuck on the side of a mountain and it starts to rain, you get underneath these and you'll be protected from the rain during a storm. Okay, so now you've got everything you'll need if you ever find yourself in these situations. Thanks for watching.